If you're trying to figure out how to onboard a new employee remotely, step by step in the fastest and most effective way, you're in the right place. Stick with me for the next few minutes and you'll have a proven process you can start using today. And if you want to follow along using the best tool I've tested, there's an exclusive free trial link just for viewers of my channel in the description below. Let's dive in. First, before day one, send a personalized welcome email with clear instructions on what they need to do next. Include their start date, a brief overview of the onboarding process, login credentials, and links to any tools or portals they'll use. This avoids confusion and sets a professional tone from the start. Next, ship any necessary hardware like a laptop or headset early so they can hit the ground running. Include a printed welcome letter or swag to make it feel personal. Remote doesn't have to mean cold. Now create a simple onboarding schedule for their first week. Don't overwhelm them with back-to-back calls. Instead, break it into digestible blocks: orientation, tool walkthroughs, team meet and greets, and role-specific training. On day one, host a live video kickoff meeting. This is crucial. Make it friendly, introduce them to key people, explain the company's mission, and walk through the schedule. This helps them feel connected and valued from the start. Assign them an onboarding buddy, someone they can message with small questions. This reduces friction and makes the experience less isolating. Use onboarding software to automate repetitive tasks like document signing, training checklists, and progress tracking. I've tested the top platforms: Bamboo HR, Trainual, and Gusto, and the one I recommend for remote onboarding is linked below. The free trial is exclusive to this channel and will save you hours of manual follow-ups. For training, record short, role-specific videos instead of long Zoom sessions. Keep them under 10 minutes each. It's more scalable, more efficient, and easier to digest. Set expectations early. Define what success looks like in their first 30, 60, and 90 days. Schedule regular check-ins weekly at first and ask about roadblocks, not just performance. Use Slack or Teams to keep casual communication flowing. Create a welcome thread so the team can introduce themselves. It builds culture, even from a distance. And finally, ask for feedback after their first week and again after 30 days. What worked? What didn't? Use that to improve the process for the next remote hire. Here's the key takeaway. Remote onboarding isn't about stuffing a bunch of info into a few Zoom calls. It's about structure, clarity, and connection. If you follow this step-by-step onboarding process, you'll make every new hire feel equipped, welcomed, and ready to perform, without being in the office. Quick recap. Send a welcome email, ship hardware early, set a clear schedule, run a kickoff meeting, assign a buddy, use automation software, deliver short trainings, define expectations, maintain communication, and gather feedback. And remember, don't waste time stitching together tools manually. Use the exclusive free trial I've linked below for my #1 recommended onboarding software. It'll save you hours and streamline everything. Thanks for watching. Now go on board like a pro.